Alright guys, we got a heck of a deal here. This is a really good deal. Somebody starting out with no tools, or you just want to upgrade your tools. This is a great platform to get into. This is the Greenworks Pro. So as you guys know right off the bat, you are getting a mower. That's a self-propelled mower. You're getting a string trimmer. You're getting a blower, a battery, and a charger. And if you haven't seen closely, this is an 80 volts. Guys, before we continue, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more to deals, price glitches. All right, so $529. That's a really good deal. That's just how much just the mower itself costs. So you are getting basically a free string trimmer and a free blower. So it's down from the $10.99. I do believe, I would not pay $10.99 for this. $529. That's an excellent deal. So if you look here, you're getting an 80 volt, 730 CFM blower, leaf blower. You're getting a 13-inch string trimmer. You're getting a self-propelled mower and a battery and a charger, of course. So that's basically what it looks like. It does have that self-propelled mode, which is going to help you, with those longer mows or bigger yards or bigger lawns, or maybe you're going up, up a hill or something like that. It's going to help you on that side. Maybe your little one that, or your wife does, or a woman that does not have a lot of strength. This is going to ease the job, especially with that self-propelled mower. And plus, these things are not as heavy as the gas ones, so they're going to be lighter, a little bit lighter weight. Similar but lighter weight. And plus, you're going to get that. I know you're only getting one battery, but still, it's a, for most lawns, medium-sized, a little bit larger lawns. One battery should be enough to do the mowing, the blowing, and the string trimming. So it should be enough. But that's what the tools look like. And Greenworks is a great brand. They do make several different brands. I believe they do make the Cobalt. They do make some for the Harbor Freight, I believe. And so they do have different lines. They do have a 40 volt. They do have a 24 volt. And a 60 volt line. So they got several different lines. This is going to be one of the most powerful ones, because it is going to be the 80 volt. So I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video. And let's see here, it says handles. So easy fold handles, self-propelled with variable speed, easy push button start, 4-in-1 system. So it's kind of hard to read here. 10-inch rear wheels. Says steel deck. So you're getting a steel deck with this one. You don't get that with most of the mowers these days. So anyways, that's it for today. I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.